everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showcasing to you a brand new 2026 model Burstner. This is part of the B66 range and it is a 690, so it is a fresh modern take on a compact yet luxury motorhome. Look at this for a vehicle, everybody. It's absolutely beautiful on the exterior. We're finished with Lanzarote grey metallic paint. You've got your colour coded bumpers, stunning gold decals the full way through. I've got all season tyres with our two-tone Fiat Ducato alloys. This vehicle is 6.99 metres in length, so as I was saying, it is compact, 2.3 metres in width. To this side, our water tank is kept here. It's 120 litres, so you do have plenty of capacity there. Your gas bottles are kept here. You've got your outside shower point, and then your huge garage. Oh, hello. So this is our dual access to the garage. Over at this side we've got our 230 volt socket outside, which is always handy to have, and then you've got your built-in shelves as well, which is a nice feature. We do have a reversing camera at the back. It's built into the Burstner logo. And then to this side we've got our full demonstrator awning. You've got a TV point there, you've got your barbecue point and your toilet cassette, as well as your electric welcome step by the side door, so you are so very well equipped on the outside. Into the driver's seat, we do have an incredibly comfortable and modern setup up here. We've got our chocolate leather upholstery on the driver and passenger seats. We've got all the driving aids down to your automatic windscreen wipers, your automatic headlights. You've got an electric parking brake there, your 8-speed automatic gearbox. You've got your Pioneer infotainment system there, so you have everything you need. Your reverse camera, sat nav, CarPlay, Android Auto, you name it. So the 690 travels 4 people and sleeps 3. You've got your lovely open plan lounge area with the L-shaped lounge. Now that does transform into an extra berth. You've got your collapsible table there, so it is all very user friendly. I'm sure one of the first things you've noticed as well was the lovely warm ambient lighting. You've got your panoramic sky view over the driver and passenger seat as well, so it really does let all the natural light seep in, but absolutely beautiful finish on the van inside just as well as the outside. So our control panels are situated just beside the habitation door. So this is your main control panel there, where you can monitor your leisure battery levels, your vehicle battery, your water levels and all the rest. Now this vehicle does come with an 100-watt solar panel as well as lithium leisure battery, so if you do like going off grid, that is always a plus. Your heating runs off Truma, combi gas and electric. Just below that is our TV. It's on a swivel bracket there, and you've got a USB point below that as well. Into our kitchen area, we have lovely marble effect finish on the counters. You've got your matte black trimmings there as well. Your storage just above that, and then we have our set for triplex combi oven and grill with your 3-ring gas burner. Making our way to the back of the vehicle, we have an absolutely huge fridge freezer compartment. Look at that, you've got a massive freezer box there too. The bathroom is at the other side, I'll show you that in a little minute. But while we're this far, this is our bed layout, so it is the rear singles. You can pull this out and make it into a double bed. You've heaps of storage underneath that, and if you're wondering what these cushions are back here, they're for the additional third berth in the front lounge area. So this should give you an idea for how spacious the shower is, but if you stay tuned for the next clip, I'll show you where the toilet is. How clever is this, folks? This is a swinging door, so it really does utilise the space of a combined shower and toilet. There you have it, folks. That is our Burstner B66 690 TD. Definitely one to watch out for in 2026. It's going to be a favourite by far. If you'd like to come down and view the vehicle and see it in person, give us a shout. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can send me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Look forward to seeing you.